Laguna plunges $1.6 million December to December. January surge in the forecast. I'm Boyd Roberts, broker of Laguna Gallery Real Estate, with my take on the Laguna Beach real estate market. Laguna's post-COVID journey has been extraordinary. April 2020's median was $1,475,000. Fast forward 20 months of robust demand and collapsing supply to December 2021, and the median was $3,795,000, a stunning 157% rise. Last June, after massive rate hikes and emasculated demand, median prices corrected to $2,365,000. By August, we are back at $3,600,000. November and December, as I predicted, monthly prices plunged $1.3 million, finishing at $2,200,000. Now, with a 94% probability, the monthly median will rise again this month. Likely, the move will be huge. These puppies clearly are not done going up. COVID has been quite the disruptor. Some COVID trends have come and gone. Some are still with us. After the reopening, buyers rushed in. Now they are mostly absent. In the depths of the shutdown, April 2020, there were only 15 closed sales. June 2021, with a pronounced influx of buying, there were 64. Then volume collapsed. The number of December closings at 12 was the lowest I have ever documented. In fact, the most recent 3-month, 6-month, and 12-month periods all registered the lowest activity I have ever documented. In 2021, 568 residences sold. In 2022, just 322 sold. As best I can tell, this is the largest drop in closing volume year over year ever. Said another way, it is a good time to be a buyer. Call me. Competing hordes are not out there bidding against you on your preferred property. 4 COVID trends are still intact. 1, buyers by a factor of 25% are paying more for smaller houses. The 3-month median dollars per square foot best illustrates this trend. Over October, November, and December, the median dollars per square foot was $1,602, an 85% rise since May 2020. In the comparable period, the 3-month sold median was up only 60%. 2, open escrows by a factor of 26% are more likely to close. The pre-COVID median closing ratio was 64%. The post-COVID closing ratio is 81%. Buyers, once in escrow, are not messing around. They are closing. Trend number 3, fewer Lagunans are listing their home for sale. Perhaps they feel trapped with a low interest rate mortgage. Perhaps they do not know where they would go if they did sell. Perhaps they would rather improve their home than sell it. By the way, if you need an awesome Laguna Beach contractor with availability, call me. Back to my trend. June 1, 2020, there were 225 residences for sale. As of January 1, 2023, there were only 92, almost half the 5-year median, and the second lowest January I have ever documented. For sure, in the absence of an abundance of supply, Laguna Beach prices cannot go down in a sustained fashion. Certainly, it is a good time to be a seller. Prices are up. Your listing will not be competing against multiple comparable properties. It will will get a lot of attention. Call me. Trend number 4, although you would not know it if you follow year-over-year prices, the market is much more volatile. Right out of the gate, May 2020, the monthly median was up 54%. Laguna's biggest move ever. December 2021 was up 43%. July 2022, 44%. Rounding out the 4 biggest moves in Laguna's history, November was down 34%. These were all forecasted in real time in this space by this broker. To access the world's preeminent source of Laguna Beach real estate data and information, go to my website, www.lagunagalleryrealestate.com. Have an excellent new year, and thank you for joining me.